Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany. Welcome to this video. If you're experiencing lower back pain, I hope this video will help you reduce the pain and also release the tension in your lower back area. If you have in a block and a pillow with you today, that would be great. But if not, that's totally fine. Whenever you're ready, that's lying down on your mat. So you will grab one block and put it underneath your tailbone. Just elevate your hip here. Now from here, you can put your hands beside your body and extend your legs out. And if you feel a lot of tension on your lower back here, you can also bend your knee back or even just remove the block. But if you feel fine, then just go for stretching your legs. And extend your hands above your head. And take a long breath in through your nose. And exhale. Next, breathe in. Try to breathe into your hips. And breathe out, release the tension from there. One more inhale. And exhale. Okay, slowly bring your hands back. Now bend your left knee, put your foot on the floor, and hug your right knee in toward your belly. Take a long breath in here. Exhale, you can try to pull your right knee in toward your belly more. And next exhale, release. Drop your right leg down, knee bend, and we switch side. Hug your left knee in. And stay here for 3, 2, 1. Slowly put it down. And from here, hug both of your legs in toward your belly. And hold for 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Send your legs straight again. Reach your hands above your head. Again, deep breathing. And exhale. Once more, inhale. And breathe out. Now let's remove the block from your lower back. And then hug your knees in. Rock your body side to side. Okay, drop both of your legs down to the floor, knees bend. Hands beside your body. Now inhale, you're gonna reach your hands above your head and also arch your lower back a little bit. So you will find the space between the lower back and the floor. Then as you exhale, you tuck your tailbone in, so press your lower back into the floor and hands back beside your body. 2 more like that. Inhale, arch your lower back a little bit. Hands back. Exhale, bring your hands in and press your back into the ground. So there's no space between your back and floor. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Okay, from here we will add bridge. So inhale again, arch your lower back a little bit. As you exhale, bring your hands back and also push your heels into the ground and lift your hips up, bridge. Now inhale, reach your hands above your head and lower down. Exhale, hands back beside your body and hips up. 2 more like that. Inhale, hands back, lower your hip. Exhale, hands back and breach. Squeeze your glutes. Once more, inhale. Exhale, lift your hips up. Now stay on the top and squeeze, engage your glutes for 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your body down to the floor. Okay, cross your right leg on your left and meet in figure 4. So your hands can interlace your fingers and put it behind your left leg. You can use your right elbow to push your right knee away from you. And that way you can find that more stretch in your right glutes. Inhale, maybe stay. As you exhale, you can use your elbow to push more into your right thigh. And flex your right toes. Maintain your deep breath in and out here. Okay, we're gonna add some dynamic move here. So when you inhale, let's flex your toes and lift your left leg up straight toward the ceiling. Exhale, bend your left knee and drop your left leg down. Let's do 4 more like that. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to bend. Inhale up. Flex your toes. Exhale, relax and bend. Inhale for 2. And down. Once more, inhale. And down. Okay, unwind your leg. Now drop it down and we switch to the other side. Put your left hand, cross your left leg on your right leg. Lift your leg up. Interlace your fingers behind your right. Same here, use your left elbow to push your left knee away from you. Flex your toes. Relax your shoulders, your upper body. And maybe breathing, bring the air toward your left glute. And exhale, release the tension, the soreness from there. 2 more breaths here. Okay, from here, next inhale, you flex your right toes and reach your right leg up toward the sky. Exhale, bend your right knee. 4 more, inhale up. Exhale, lower. Inhale for 3. And lower. Inhale for 2. And down. Once more, inhale. And now exhale. Now release your legs down to the floor. And then kind of windshield wiper your legs side to side. Okay, bring your legs back to the center. Now you will use your block, one block. If you don't have block, that's okay. You will just put your hands on your thigh. But from here, lift your legs up and bend your knees in 90 degrees. And put the block, first put the block on your right leg, on your right thigh here, and left palms to put on your block. Okay, so your right hand and left leg is free here. Good. So now you straighten your right leg toward the ceiling. And then inhale. Exhale, you lower your right hand back and down and left toes down. And point your toes to the floor. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. Repeat this. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. Okay, so follow your tempo for 4 more. And to feel your left hand, your right leg resist to each other. And that way you can engage your core more. And maybe one more here. Okay, relax. And we switch sides. So this time, you put your left block on your left side, right hand on top of your block. Bring your right leg up and left hand toward the sky. Inhale. Exhale, lower your left hand back and right toes down. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. 4 more here. Inhale, back. Exhale, lower. Follow your tempo and do 3 more. And then push your right palm into the block. And push your lower back into the floor as well. Maybe 1 more here. Okay, slowly relax. And then send your legs forward. Reach your arms above your head. Give yourself a big, big stretch. Inhale. And exhale, you can open your mouth, let go. 1 more here, inhale. And exhale. Okay, from here, hug your knees in. And you can grab opposite side of your elbows, bend your knees, flex your toes. Next inhale, send both of your legs up toward the ceiling. Exhale, lower. 4 more. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale for 3. And down, lower. Breathing for 2. And down. Once more. And down, relax. Okay, drop your legs all the way down to the floor. And you'll keep your knees bent and put your legs together. So you kind of squeeze your legs in together. Hands beside your body. Okay, take a deep breath in. Now exhale, you will put your left leg, both of your legs to the left, but just a little bit, not all the way down. Until your lower back lift from the ground a little bit. Okay, inhale back to the center. Exhale, drop to the right. Same here, not all the way down, but until your left lower back lifts. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. So just a small range of twist on your lower back here and center. and to the right. Okay, back to the center. And now you will walk your feet like 5 inches further from your glutes. Now inhale. And same here, exhale, drop to the left. Small range here. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. One more each side, breathing. And left. Inhale. And right. Okay, we'll do one more, but a little more further. So about 5 inches again. Inhale, legs all together. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. And to the right. One more each side. Inhale. And left. Inhale, center. And to the right. Okay, now drop your legs all the way down. And you can shake your legs and see how you feel in your hips or lower back area. Okay, from here, you will roll yourself up and then grab your pillow if you have one. If not, you can always just find something like a thick book or a small pillow and then just put it underneath, right underneath the back of your knees. And from here, laying all the way down to the floor and to your final Shavasana. Every inhale, try to send all the love to your hips, your lower back. And as you exhale, and try to release all the soreness, the tension from there into the earth. And be aware of how those areas feel compared to the beginning of our practice. Thank you all so much for joining the short practice with me. And I hope you find this video helpful for your lower back pain and also release the tension from there. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste.